Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this COLBOR Solar Lights for outdoor use with motion detection. The COLBOR Solar Lights for outdoor use with remote control, and it is a solar spotlight for outdoor use. We have 3 modes and it's adjustable with IP6 5 waterproof level. It's a solar powered lamp with LEDs and motion sensor. It's really cool and easy to attach, as you can see. It's available in 1-piece or 2-piece packages, and it's available with 218 LEDs or 84 LEDs as is shown in that video here. Environmentally friendly, and there are an efficient LED solar light system. The solar lights for outdoor use offers an excellent lighting experience with 48 golden double wire LED beads that covers a large lighting area. The 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures a longer light duration and service life and lets our solar lights shine all night. The solar lights comes with a remote control. We do not need to waste time and energy to climb high. We can simply press the button on the remote control to turn the solar lamp on and off. Or we can use it for change the lighting mode and the Kelvins. We press and hold the on button on the remote control for approximately 3 seconds to turn on the light. The remote control has a maximum range of 10 meters. When using the remote control, we have to remove the transparent insulation film first, and then it will work immediately. And we have 3 lighting modes to choose from. The LED solar lights turns on automatically at the night time and automatically turns off during the daytime. 3 lighting modes to choose from. That means we can choose between body sensor plus dimming light mode, body sensor mode, constant light mode, and the motion sensor of the LED solar lights can detect a range of 1 up to 8 meters. And as you can see, it's really easy to install. We can use the included bracket to mount the solar wall light on an outdoor wall. We install the solar wall light towards the south to ensure that the solar panel receives sufficient sunlight. The ideal mounting height is about 1.8 up to 3.5 meters. And we have an IP65 waterproof level. This solar outdoor light with motion sensor is made of high quality ABS, which is waterproof and heat resistant, and it can withstand all types of harsh weather. It's suited for a variety of scenarios such as backyards, porch, yards, patios, garage, and so on. This solar light is a green energy and wireless solar powered light with adjustable bracket flexible angle that can be different needs. There is a high sensitive remote control. We don't need to climb up and perform this on the buttons on the lamp itself, but it's possible. No one-wheel ride. It's easy to install. It's charging in the daytime and it's bright at the night time automatically. This solar light is suitable for all our front door, garden, yard, garage, patio, platform, sheet, park, porch, step, fence, and driveways, farms, and so on. The solar panel comes with 5.5 volt, 2.5 watt. The battery is a lithium 3.7 volt, 2200 mAh battery. The output is 4.5 watt. The LEDs are SMD 2835. The luminous flux is 550 lumen. The induction distance is 1 up to 8 meter. Remote angle is 120 degrees. The remote distance 1 up to 8 meter. The charging time is 6 up to 8 hours. Sunlight. And the waterproof level is IP65. We turn the power switch to the right. That means to the on position. We turn on the light and enter into mode 1. We press the mode button to switch the lighting mode, if we set the lighting modes on the device itself. We have mode 1, dim to bright induction mode. That means indicates light is color red. Dim light without sensing, moving and highlight for 15 seconds when the sensor detects a person's movement. Back on dim light after no further motion is detected. Then we have mode number 2, off to bright induction mode. That means an indicator light color is green. The highlights for 15 seconds. When it detects person's movement, then it turns off automatically. Then we have mode number 3, constant on mode. Inductor light color is blue. It is always light at the night without induction function. We have a power switch to switch on or off the device. We have a motion sensor in the center, a remote control receiving window, and a mode switch, where we can use it to switch between the modes. Easy peasy. The light sensor inside the solar panel can automatically detect changes in brightness of the external environment. We're making the light auto on at night and auto off at sunrise, and it will be turned on every day in the set working mode we set. Therefore, when we turn on the light in daytime, it just flashes once. When we turn off the light, it flashes once. We cover the solar panel first if we want to test in the daytime or bright environment. And then we can start easily. We check and ensure the light can work. If it is working, we can install it at the daytime. We cover the solar panel and switch to on. If the LEDs are on, everything's fine, which is a good sunshine light place. We install the solar light in direct sunlight from the south if it's possible. We make sure the solar panel can receive a good sunlight direct without any shelter. And determinant, the approximate height, is 8 up to 12 feet. We drill 2 suitable holes where they want to install it. We insert the expansion pillar hangs, and we fix the fixed base and the brackets to the wall by screws. We adjust the approximated light angle, connect the bracket, job's done. And then we can have fun with it and have a good and easy solar-powered light by COLBOR. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.